So one of the things that I really enjoy to do is to use technology in my classes to further my learning objectives and to enhance student learning. And one of the things that's you've seen possibly some of the other videos is that I like to use Moodle, which is a online course management software. It's free to use, and it's installed throughout our entire school's intranet, so all the students can access it either from school or at home. And it allows you to organize course structure much like WebCT or any other particular course management software. And it allows you to provide files for the students, do assessments, and all those kind of things. In this case, I'm showing you my robotics class, and you'll notice that I have a mix of things like forums. I have Word documents, PowerPoints. I have quizzes and checklists. And even when we got to this unit, we created a class wiki that actually goes through and allows the students to create internal documentation, which reinforces the concept of documentation in general and programming, such as Java docs. And so they went through and actually created a class wiki that explains each of the different control statements, and they go through and explain the class, how it's constructed, fields, methods, and so on. And they went and explained all this. Now they were divided up into groups in order to create this, but this is just one example of the ways that we use technology in the robotics classroom. Also, we use the NXT programming software and NXT Lego Mindstorms robots, which are very useful as well in terms of using technology for that robotics class. The other class that I like to incorporate a lot of technological devices in is my computer systems class, or what will now be known as business and computers. And you'll see that I use some web links, some lessons, some interactive lessons. We also use the office content down here, and then they actually go in, they'll create a blog, and they will go and blog about items of interest to them. They'll go and create their own podcast, and they will actually create a number of recordings that are related to content that they've learned in the class. And then in Camtasia, they actually will use Camtasia, which is a screen capture software, to record their own tutorial videos, and then they'll go to the wiki that is set up in-house, and they will go and actually update the content that they learned from in terms of learning how to use the different Office products. So when they first do Office, which is the unit before the wikis and Web 2.0 tools, they will be using this, and once they're done using it, they will go back, create a tutorial video, and then go and update the wiki with more content, more information, as well as correct any previous errors and revise information as well within the wiki. So not only do they use the tool to learn, but then they improve the tool for future classes. So this is just one of the ways that I like to use technology in the computer systems class as well.